The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. announced that Washington is dramatically scaling back vaccine development. Kennedy shared that his department will cancel contracts and close nearly 24 projects totaling roughly $500 million. The decision is in regards to vaccine programs utilizing messenger ribonucleic acid technology, better known as mRNA. The U.S. health chief says this technology is ineffective at combating and providing sufficient immunity to infectious diseases like the flu and COVID-19. Kennedy says his department will instead focus its efforts on creating a safer, more effective alternative. He noted that mRNA vaccines collapse when viruses mutate, and instead more focus should be invested on whole virus vaccines and novel platforms. Infectious disease experts, however, say that the technology is safe, as reflected in its ability to dramatically slow the spread of the coronavirus pandemic. mRNAs are also now being experimented with for their potential in cancer treatment. Kennedy says other uses of the technology outside infectious diseases will not be affected. This is the latest in a string of decisions by the U.S. Health Secretary to crack down on immunization and advance his anti-vaccine agenda. In June, Kennedy removed the department's recommendation for COVID-19 shots and fired the panel responsible for vaccine recommendations. Doctors and experts in the field have called his decisions reckless, short-sighted, and dangerous.